Hello sheddies, and this time you join me in my conservatory. If you notice, I've got a TV in here now as well. Anyway, that's not why I was going to do this video. A lot of people ask me about the sound system in my shed and how I connect it all together when I'm watching movies or football or just playing music in general. Well, I've got my various amplifiers, hi-fis are all connected through together to the output, and then I've got... I'll tell you what, let me just show you. So here we are at my office desk area. I've got two monitors that I use for work, well, old TVs. Normally got my laptop here as well, but that's in the house at the moment. And that actually plugs in the laptop to this lead here, which is connected to a dock. And then on this side, I've got a HDMI that connects to that TV there. But I wanted to show you this. So this is an audio selector. It's actually called an audio and video selector VSW81. And if you notice on there, I've used my letter tag label making device to put all these different sources of sound or music on there. So if you notice, I've got number one is DAB radio. It's a little portable radio that I've got. And then which is the Amazon thing, which will start up now because I've said it. Number three is the laptop, so that connects to the dock which sits behind there, that connects to my laptop. So if I'm playing something through my laptop, the sound will come through here and then go off into the amplifiers. And then number four is the TV at the door, which is that one up there, which can rotate and you can see in the garden as well. So if I've got something on that TV, it will play through this system. And then number five is the TV in the back garden. I've got a TV in the back garden that's in like a cabinet. So the sound will come from there into this box and then through the amplifiers. And then number six is a Bluetooth, so like a Bluetooth receiver that I've got. Now they're all connected together with RCA leads. So, you know, the red and the white leads, if you get a yellow on there as well, that's normally the video, but this system can actually do the video selector as well. But I just use the red and white RCA leads. And then each one or each port at the back of this box connects to the corresponding source. So that's the input. So if I press any button like number 6, which is the Bluetooth. So let's say I'm watching something on my phone. Then I connect the phone to the Bluetooth and the sound will come out through this device and then off to the amplifiers. The output connects to each amplifier. Let me just quickly show you. So excuse Spaghetti Junction back here, but if you see those RCA leads, they're all piggybacked together and they connect each of the amplifiers. The rest you can't see, it's all screwed down. And then I have one output, and the output goes to an amplifier. You know when you go onto an amplifier and you set it for auxiliary or EXT, like on there, for example. But what I might do is do a full video of the sound system and the visual system, all the TVs and how they connect together with HDMI and VGAs, etc. And the dock I use. It's very primitive, but it works well for me. It's great for parties. Normally I'll play it through or the Echo Dot, because that Echo Dot has got a port in the back that connects to RCA leads. So it actually comes out of a phono. It's the 3.5mm phono from the back and in into the RCA plugs, the red and the white. And then if for whatever reason, if we have a party and the music or the internet goes down, heaven forbid, I can click straight onto DAB radio because I know, put it on, I don't know, absolute 80s or absolute 90s, whatever, at least the party can keep going. And I don't run out of music. And I can get to my phone as well, any stored music that I've got on my phone, or connect to a TV, which I've done before. So like New Year's Eve parties, for example, when it's coming to the countdown in London and Big Ben, then I can flip over to the TV in the shed. Everyone can see the TV and the sound comes out because I click on number 4, I think it was. So look, I hope this all makes sense. I'll do a clearer video on it, but I thought because a few people have asked, I thought I'll show you what I use because it might be of benefit to somebody. So anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Cheers.
See you next time on Weekend Shedhead.